to when the trowel's down, pick something up after work. When the tools go down, life should not go quiet. That's the moment the day opens up, the boots come off, the work dust washes away, the phone stops controlling your attention, and suddenly the hours ahead belong to you again. And this is where a tradie has a choice. You can carry the job home in your head, or you can pick up something that brings you back to life. Fishing rod, tennis racket, a guitar, a camera, a kayak paddle, a golf club, paintbrush, a set of car keys for the hot rod, a mountain bike, a cookbook, a footy, a Bible, a book, a garden shovel, a surfboard, a pair of running shoes. Life after work becomes richer when there's something waiting for you beyond the work site. Something active, something creative, something social, something peaceful, something adventurous. Something that reminds you that you are not only here to earn, pay bills and repeat the week. You are here to live. Sports, hobbies, family time, mateship, faith, creativity, travel, fitness and the shed all become part of the same bigger story. They give a man something to look forward to. They pull him out of the work mode. They create memories, they build friendships, they strengthen family life. They turn ordinary evenings and weekends into something meaningful. The happiest tradies are not always the ones earning the most. Often they're the ones who know how to knock off properly. They work hard, then they live well. And when the trowel goes down, do not just stop working. Pick up the life your work has made possible. I'm PROBRICKIE. Have a good weekend.